All right, let's move ahead right now. The 135th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar turned out to be a historic day for the scheduled caste community in Telangana as the state government issued an order on the implementation of the SC categorization, making it the first state in the country to do so. The government had earlier appointed a commission headed by retired High Court Judge Justice Shamim Akhtar on the Supreme Court categorization, which made recommendations that the 59 scheduled caste communities be divided into 3 groups for the total reservation of 15% in government jobs and education. So these are some back-to-back updates coming in right now, where let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now on this story. Nidhi, if you could take up viewers, the latest coming in, and it's a very, very historic moment where Telangana becomes the first state to implement the SC sub-categorization, and this is making history. If you could take our viewers to latest coming in and how this will ensure the grant of quota to more backward castes.
Well, that's right, Shivangi. Telangana is the first state to implement the SC subcategorization. Well, earlier in the state assembly, the Telangana Congress government had moved this resolution, and then it was passed in the assembly, following which yesterday, on the eve of Ambedkar Jayanti, we had seen that that it was converted into a GO. A GO was released by the Congress government, and Telangana happens to be the first state after the orders of the Supreme Court, after the Supreme Court had given a nod for the SC subcategorization, and now we see that it is almost 15% quota to the SC community. So it's a big development where we see that SCs are going to get now in the state of Telangana, and we see that the resolution was earlier passed in the state assembly, following which now the GO was, the cabinet ministers had handed over the GO to the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy yesterday, and now we also see that this is going to be a big boost for the SC community in the state of Telangana, and also at the same time, this is going to be a big development as far as the Congress government is concerned, because they say that they are delivering what they had promised to the people of Telangana.
All right. Thank you for joining us with those details, where Telangana becomes first state to implement the SC sub-categorization. I'll be coming back to you for more on that.